Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly fix that pesky, briefly unavailable for scheduled maintenance error on WordPress specifically. What to do if you can't find the usual culprit, the maintenance file. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know a direct workaround that gets your site back online fast, even when the normal solutions aren't working. Alright, let's dive straight in. So imagine you've just updated a plugin or theme, and suddenly your whole website shows that frustrating gray maintenance message. Most guides will tell you to delete the maintenance file from your WordPress root directory, but what if it's not there? No need to panic. There's another way to get things running again, and we're going to use the wp-activate PHP file to do it. First up, you'll need to access your WordPress root directory. This is usually done with FTP or through your hosting file manager. If you're using something like FileZilla or cPanel, great. Just log in like you normally would to manage your website files. If you haven't done this before, don't worry. Finding your root is just like opening the main folder where your whole website lives. Now within your root directory, look for a file called wp-activate PHP. It's one of WordPress's core files. So don't be alarmed if you see a lot of other files and folders here. Just focus on finding the one named wp-activate PHP. Sometimes it helps to use the search function, especially if you have a crowded file list. Once you've located wp-activate PHP, you'll want to open it in a text editor. Most hosting panels have a basic editor you can use right inside your browser. But you can also download the file and use something like Notepad or Sublime Text. Take a moment here, that way you avoid any accidental edits. Remember, this is a WordPress core file, so it's a good idea to make a quick backup before editing. Even just a copy saved to your desktop will do the trick. Inside the file, you're looking for a line of code that says, define WP installing true. Sometimes this line is near the top, but if you don't see it right away, just use the find function, Ctrl+F or Command+F if you're on a Mac. What this line does is tell WordPress your site is in the middle of an installation or update. That's why you're seeing the maintenance mode message. The fix is simple. Change true to false so the line now reads, define WP installing false. This alteration flips the switch, telling WordPress to exit maintenance mode and return your site to normal. It's kind of like reassuring your site, hey, everything's finished, you can open up again. Go ahead and save the file. If you downloaded it, be sure to upload the edited version back into your root directory, replacing the old one. Now reload your website in your browser, give it a second, and the maintenance message should be gone. If it's still showing, clear your browser cache or try opening your site in an incognito window, just to be sure the changes have gone through. And that's it, quick, straightforward, and no more waiting around for your site to come back. Remember, while editing core files is a strong solution for emergencies, you always want to be cautious and back up before making changes. If this helped you out, please give the video a like. And don't forget to comment below if you have any questions, or if you run into anything unexpected. I'm always here to help. And if you're interested in more WordPress tips and fast troubleshooting guides, make sure to hit subscribe so you never miss out. Thanks for watching and good luck with your site.